morning, everybody. Doug here. Friday morning, I came in special for this one. This happens to be one of our new design LS engines. This is our 430 cubic inch LS. Made some fabulous power. You have to watch the video for this one. But we can custom design it any way you would like. There'll be various of colors and pulley kits on these. We can coil pack it, hide the coil packs, custom paint the complete engine. A lot of variations when we build these motors. We want to build it the way you want it to look, but also with some badass power. Check this one out, 430 cubic inches. This is one of our new packages. 1-800-267-3940. There we go.